Today I'm going to be doing a little install on the Evo, of course. Kind of looking at things for the shifting in the car, because if you guys are an Evo owner, you might know that it could be difficult to shift sometimes. It could be very sloppy. And so I went ahead and ordered some transmission fluid, which I already changed, and that actually helped a lot. I'll put a link down below for what I got, but I got their cocktail, and it had like 2 bottles of MT90 and some other fluid that I can't remember right now, but it was a pretty good deal, so I tried it and it actually worked a lot better. But there is some stuff that I still think could be a little better shifting wise, and so let me turn you around real quick. So what I got, move some of this junk out of the way, was a kit from Torque Solutions, and it has I think this is like the gate selector or something. These are the base bushings for the shifter, and this, maybe this is, I don't know. Either way, something, 3 different bushings for the shifting. I don't really know. I've never really done anything like this before. So we're just going to figure it out as we go and hopefully not mess up. And then right in here, I got a short shifter. Okay, so here's the short shifter. I had to use both hands to get it out, and then looks like a retaining clips of some sort, and don't know what that is, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. And then we also got a cool sticker from Torque Solutions. Right now I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to get the GoPro and slap it on my forehead. Okay guys, so I really hope that you can hear me and that you can see. I'm going to go ahead and get in the car. Like I said, I've never even taken this apart, so it's going to be a learning experience. Okay, so there's those bolts. So yeah, I think we take those bolts out, and those were 10mm, I think. So what's on here? 10. Perfect. Okay. Let's take out these. Oh, okay. Set that to the side. Don't lose all my money. So take these bolts out. Set them up here. Now let's pull on this. Okay. Oh, there's a plug. I'm pulling out those screws just because they're there. Oh, so it takes this whole thing off. Okay. So I'll just take this whole center thing off. I'll set that up. Yeah, set it up like that. And let's try to pull this off. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so I just wiggled it off. Oof, that is disgusting. Alright. Anyways, that's out of the way. So here is the main thing. Hopefully you guys can see. So let's grab like a hammer. Okay. I guess it helps if you get your seat back just a little bit. Yeah, look at that. What, does this just come off? So this plastic piece just comes off. I'm gonna set it right here. Just trying to remember how it went. Oh, and that came off. Okay, cool. Boy, don't lose it. Got it off. And I didn't break it. Sweet. Perfect. So pull this little guy off. We're probably gonna need some kind of lube or something, I'm guessing. No. Let's see. Wheel bearing grease? Do you think I could use wheel bearing grease? Yeah, we'll try a little wheel bearing grease. I'm really not sure about that, but there's some kind of lubricant in it. I don't think it needs like a lot. We're just going to put some kind of lube in there. Alright, let's see if that helps. Okay, so now we gotta push this guy on here. Ah, look at that. Found it. So let's just shove this guy back in. Perfect. Okay, so now let's put this boy back in here. Okay, so feel like I should put some grease in that too. I believe this one like this. Yeah, something like that. I think that's how it goes. I think I'm done. Honestly, I gotta put those retainer clips things back in, but I'm gonna just spray all this. Okay, cool. Figure out what this was. It was for the boot, so the boot doesn't slide down. It has this little lip here. So now I'm going to do the base bushings. So now I just gotta figure out how to do that. So I think it's just these right here, and I don't think they've been done. If they've already been done too, I'm gonna be kind of upset, but it doesn't really look like it. $12mm. Okay, now how do you get these rubber ones? These out. Oh yeah, that was super easy. Okay. Murdered that one to get it out. After roughing up these rubber grommets and trying to get them out, pretty much we're gonna take these boys and just fit them through the bottom. They just fit up in there. Try not to lose them. Cool. Now I'm just gonna reinstall the bolts. snug. Okay, now we can just put everything back together, if I remember how. It feels nice. It feels really stiff with those base bushings. It's amazing how small of a thing can make such a big difference. Tonight, once I wake up, I'll go take it for a test drive. But I need to go to bed, so that's all I have for today on this. I know I said I have 2 more things to do, but I think I'm going to save it for another day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. God bless.